Here we go, traders. We got NVDA popping big time. It was just down $4, now down 13. It's all over the map. You can see right here. This is a 5-minute chart. It's live in the market hours. This is the knee-jerk reaction with the earnings numbers. I don't have all the report yet, but we can see that we were down here on this 5-minute chart. We were down there at 662. We're popping right now. Now we're down 24. Now we're down 28. Now we're down 30. Now we're down 31. This is live in the after hours. Sign up with Tommy Trader. We have put options on the video. Yes, we do. And we have call options. So some of the traders are going to lose money on the call side. However, we can take a look at SMCI gapping down $67. We're down $41 right now. This is live in the after hours market on this live 5-minute chart. Sign up for that free 5-day trial. Get in our live trading room. Get in on this big action. It's tanking, and it is tanking big. Yes, it is right now. This is that NVIDIA with all of the hype. We will be buying the dip. Learn how to buy the dip. Sign up for the free 5-day trial.